Stop scrolling. If you are planning Canada PR in 2026, this video can save you years of waiting and thousands of dollars. Because here is the truth. Most people don't fail Canada immigration because they are not eligible. They fail because they choose the wrong pathway. Some people wait 2 to 3 years and express entry, while others get PR in months using PNP. Why? Because they understand the system. In this video, I will explain express entry versus PNP, real difference, latest CRS score in 2026, IELTS requirement, the truth no one tells you, which PNP is actually easier right now, can you apply without IELTS, and which program is best for you. And yes, I will also tell you mistakes that can destroy your chances. Watch till the end. This is not theory, this is real strategy. Let's start. First, we cover Canada Express Entry Program. What is Express Entry? Express Entry is the main immigration system managed by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. It is not a visa. It is a ranking system. It's a point-based system. You compete with other applicants based on points. Now we talk how Express Entry works step by step. 1. Create online profile. 2. Get CRS score. 3. Enter pool. 4. Wait for draw. 5. If score high or meet the Canadian Express Entry requirements, you will receive invitation, ITA. 6. Submit PR application. Latest CRS score of Express Entry. Let's be very honest. General draws 490 to 530 plus, category-based draws 430 to 480. Remember, CRS score changes every draw based on Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, so must verify and check latest CRS score before submitting your application. What is CRS score? CRS equals Comprehensive Ranking System. How to calculate CRS score? For this, points based on age, young equals more points, education, ECA need to be from Canada-approved institutes, work experience, language test, very important, spouse factors, job offer, optional, if get, then chances to select for express entry become higher. Language requirement for express entry. You must take a language test, IELTS, CELPIP, TEF Canada. Without language test, cannot apply. Minimum score for express entry. Minimum eligibility CLB 7, around IELTS 6, but for selection you need higher. IELTS 7 to 8 plus, strong chance. IELTS 6, weak chance. Can you apply without IELTS? Reality, no, for most applicants. You need any approved language test. Which express entry program is easiest? There are 3. Federal Skilled Worker, FSW, Canadian Experience Class, CEC, Federal Skilled Trades, FST. For most people outside Canada, best option, FSW is the main option. CEC is easiest, but only if you already work in Canada. Now we discuss Canada Provincial Nominee Program. What is PNP? PNP equals Provincial Nominee Program. Provinces select immigrants based on their needs. Examples of provinces who select immigrants: Ontario, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, British Columbia, and more too. First, understand there are 2 types of PNP. 1. Express Entry Linked PNP. You already have EE profile. Province selects you. You get plus 600 CRS points, almost guaranteed PR. 2. Non-express entry PNP. Apply directly to the province. No CRS competition, slower process. Biggest advantage of PNP. 600 CRS points, game changer. Example, score 420 after PNP equals 1020. Invitation guaranteed. Language requirement for PNP. Yes, language test required, but lower requirement than express entry. Examples: CLB 4 to 6, IELTS 4 to 5.5. Can you apply PNP without IELTS? Reality: almost no. Language test required. And if you get good score in English tests just like IELTS, then chances to select higher. Which PNP is easier in 2026? No PNP is permanently easy, but based on trends: Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, lower score requirements sometimes, no job offer streams open occasionally. Alberta Advantage Immigration Program selects low CRS profiles sometimes linked with express entry. Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, easier with connections, family or friends. Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, popular but competitive. Express entry versus PNP, real comparison. Express entry point-based and PNP province-based. For express entry, competition high, whereas for PNP, competition medium. For express entry, CRS score high, and for PNP, CRS score low. Express entry process fast, and PNP process slower. IELTS requirement higher for express entry, and for PNP, low. PR chances not too much if CRS score less in express entry, whereas PR chances higher in PNP if province select. Express entry fully online application, and PNP can be online and paper-based too, on demand or requirements of the province. PNP open and close quickly, quota system, and rules can be changed at any time. Now, important thing: which one is better? If CRS score 480 plus, choose express entry. If CRS score 400 to 470, try both EE and PNP. If CRS score below 400, focus on PNP. Big mistakes every candidate must know and should avoid before applying. Not preparing for IELTS seriously, depending only on express entry, ignoring PNP opportunities, trusting fake agents, fake job offers. If you still not subscribed my this channel yet, then please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates, because on my this channel you will get authentic and real information about visa and immigration. Now discuss best legal tricks. Best strategy: do this. 1. Prepare strong language score. 2. Create express entry profile. 3. Apply for PNP at the same time. 4. Improve profile, education, work. This gives max chance. Real case example for you to understand easily. Let's assume person A, IELTS 8, age 26, bachelor, CRS 490, direct PR. Person B, IELTS 6, same profile, PE CRS 420, no selection, but gets PNP, PR confirmed. Is job offer required? Express entry? No. PNP sometimes required. Job offer increases chances in both. Process time: express entry 6 to 8 months after ITA, PNP 8 to 18 months. Final advice: ask yourself, my score high? Express entry. My score low? PNP. No language test? First prepare. Your educational documents need ECA from Canada-approved institutes. Not go to agents. These all you can do by yourself. There is no easy Canada PR. Only right strategy, right timing, right preparation. Have patience. Immigration rules change frequently. Always verify from the official website of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada before apply. Now comment below your age, education, language score. I will guide you personally which pathway is best for you. Like, subscribe, and share this video, because one right decision can change your life. See you soon with another informative visa topic. Till then, be happy and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.